6 power a plus 6 power a is equal to 75. Find the value of a. So at first we take common 6 power a from the left side. 6 power a is out of the bracket. This divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1, bracket close, is equal to 75. Now we have 6 power a times 1 plus 1 is same as 2 is equal to 75. Now we divided by 2 in both sides. So divided by 2 divided by 2. We see this 2 will be cancelled. Now we have to apply log in both sides. So I can write here log of 6 power a is equal to log of 75 over 2. Now here this power a will move to the base, so it will be a log 6 is equal to log of 75 over 2, so it will be same that log 75 subtract log 2. Now we divided by log 6 in both sides because we need the value of a. So divided by log 6 over divided by log 6. You see this log 6 will be cancelled. Here e will be equal to this part of log 6 minus this part of log 6. So log 75 can be written as log of 5 times 15 over log 6. Then here subtract log 2 over log 6. E will be equal to log of 5 times 15 is same as log 5 plus log 15 over log 6. Here minus log 2 over log 6 is same as log 2 base 6. Now a will be equal to log 5 over log 6 plus log 15 is same as log 3 plus log 5. Log 3 plus log 5 is same as log 15. So log 15 can be written as log 3 plus log 5, then over log 6. Here subtract log 2 by 6. Now we have a is equal to log 5 over log 6 is same as log 5 base 6 plus log 3 over log 6 is same as log 3 base 6. Then here plus log 5 over log 6 is same as log 5 base 6. Here subtract log 2 base 6. Now e will be equal to here log 5 base 6, here log 5 base 6, here on, here on. So this plus this is same as 2 log 5 base 6. That means log 5 base 6 plus log 5 base 6 is same as 2 log 5 base 6. Then here plus log 3 base 6. Here subtract log 2 base 6. So this is the value of E. So this is our final answer. Now let's check the equation. So to check our equation, 6 power E plus 6 power E is equal to 75. Now 6 power of E, so the value of E, which is this. So 2 log 5 base 6 plus log 3 base 6 subtract log 2 base 6, then here plus 6 power of E, that means the value of E, which is this. 2 log 5 base 6 plus log 3 base 6 subtract log 2 base 6. Is it equal to 75? Now here we apply exponential rule. So you can write here 6 power of 2 log 5 base 6 is same as log 5 power 2 is same as 25 base of 6. Here times 6 power of log 3 base 6, here times 6 power of minus log 2 base 6 is same as log 2 power negative 1 base 6. That means here this negative 1 will move to the base, this negative 1 will move to the power here. Minus log 2 base 6 is same as log 2 power negative 1 base 6. 6 power of log 2 power negative 1 base 6. Then here plus 6 power of 2 log 5 base 6 is same as log 25 base 6 times 6 power of log 3 base 6 times 6 power of log 2 power negative 1 base log 2 power negative 1 base 6. Is it equal to 75? Now 6 to the power log 25 base 6 is same as 25 times 6 to the power log 3 base 6 is same as 30 times 6 to the power log 2 power negative 1 base 6 is same as 2 power negative 1. So 2 power negative 1 is same as 1 by 2. Then here plus it will be 25 times, here it will be 30 times it will be 2 power negative 1 is same as 1 by 2. Is it equal to 75? Now here 25 multiplied by 3 is same as 75 over 2 plus this times this is same as 75 over 2 is equal to 75. Now this divided by this 75 divided by 2 plus 75 divided by 2. So this plus this is same as 75. So of course 75 is equal to 75. So left side is equal to right side. The value of E has been verified.